Sending notification to specific users. Hello, I want to notify a user that his or her order has been delivered. Basically, I want to change the status of an order and have the owner, tongue twister right here, and the owner of that order will be notified only. So there's a couple of things to do in order to make this process work. One, you need a button that somebody can press that will change the status of the order, right? So that's one thing you got to create. The other thing is you have to create an automation that runs based on when the status changes. And so you'll want to do one of those things where it's like this row before status equals whatever, and this row after status equals this. That way it only triggers when the status is sent to delivered, right? But what you can do is you'll set up this automation that runs whenever there's an edit to that field with the criteria, so it only runs when it's set to delivered. And what it will do is it will send a notification to the email associated with that person. Now the real question becomes, what kind of notification? Are we talking about an email? Are we talking about an SMS? Or are we talking about a push notification? If you want to send a push notification, keep in mind the person has to have the AppSheet app installed, like they went to the Play Store or the iTunes Store or wherever, and they downloaded the AppSheet thing, and they installed that on their device, and they're using that to run your app. If they're just doing things through a browser, there's only three things you can do. You can either send them an email, an SMS, which requires that you have their phone number, or you can use an external service called Pushpad to send them notifications. But the Pushpad requires that they first subscribe to the notifications in order to get them. So there's all these steps in the way. Probably the easiest route here is the email one. There's the least barriers involved, or the SMS one if you have the phone numbers involved, because that just uses Twilio if you want to set up your own private account. So that's how you can go about solving this. First, you need the action to change the status. Then you need the automation that's watching for the status change of delivered that will then send out the notification. Hope it helps. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. Make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. It really helps the channel with all the algorithm stuff that's going on I'm trying to build. Also, if you really want to show your love, you can head on over to patreon.com/multitech. There's some goodies over there. It's $10 a month. I got a lot of good stuff going on over there. Check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the community.